If you were given the opportunity to fly across the world to participate in a photo shoot, would you do it? Because without hesitation, I did. And honestly, I never cared for traveling, but this trip changed my entire outlook in life. Team Power and my organization reached out and asked me to go for the latest merch drop, and here's how it went. It is day one in Vegas. I just woke up. So we are about to head out now for our shoot. Everything is almost ready. Oh, shit! Oh my god, that is fire! Cars in America are huge. First shoot, day one.
3, 2, 1, go! Commitment, alright!
Corvette at 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Corvette?
Yeah.
Smile!
Power up!
Power up, baby! Oh my goodness.
See those dots there in the mountain? This is why we came here.
I just want you to look at it through my lens.
My tits are very hard right now because I'm cold.
Great input, Vin.
Okay, so we're about to head to Walmart. For the first time, it's gonna be exciting. It smells very rubbery here. Oh wow. Got some wedding rings. And then right behind, you can also buy a can of mushroom. Dude. Dude, I have not watched anime for ages.
LeBron James.
My favorite section. Where's the anime, bro? Anime, but where? Dude, it's like one Pokemon movie and they named the whole section anime?
The trilogy.
You need a Black Panther tool set?
No.
Wait, what?
Yeah. But you didn't think you needed one.
I kinda want it.
You
Yo!
ever seen a baby Yoda?
That is so ugly.
Is there a pump shotgun?
There's no.
So what are your thoughts so far on Walmart?
I'm lost. Mom, come pick me up.
So we've just wrapped up. We're gonna head off to the strip now, just check out a few things. It's gonna be, and it looks like they're having a party in the car right now. Chick-fil-A. Wow, that's good.
It's pretty simple, classic Chick-fil-A sauce. I'll cut this bad boy in half.
Good. We are at Taco Bell, Las Vegas. They've got alcohol here. This is a double shot tequila. This is day two. Currently, we are getting ready to go to the desert for the first time. Everyone's preparing outside, and I've just gotten ready as well. I'm currently just sunscreening my tattoo. Morning, guys. Good morning. This is the weather. Incredibly beautiful. Where are we headed to?
We're going to Walmart first. In America, and we have a saying, it's not a good day if it doesn't start at Walmart.
Never heard of it?
Never.
So we are headed off to collect a Corvette as well for the shoot. Whoa, look at this. Oh my god. This is the type of car you would see on GTA. God damn, okay. Oh, that is loud. Just pulled up to the destination of the shoot. This is what it currently looks like. There is nothing out here except for this beautiful car. Most expensive car I've ever sat in. And I'm also gonna be trying McDonald's for the first time in America. Gang, gang! My man coming through with the goods, thank you. I've got here a Big Mac. That's what it looks like. Wow.
American Big Mac.
That's proper, that's what it looks like. Here we go. That's good. You want some, bro?
I'm okay. Thank you.
That's real good.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I just got my fit on. We're about to get started with this shit. We look like a bunch of criminals. Let's go! Hey yo! Alright, join up there. The Corvette. And it's gone.
go to a garage get it fixed?
No, they have. This is a common problem that cars
bro.
get.
Okay. So we've got Jimmy John's, baby. It is day 3 of the trip. So my first impressions are, I'm thinking it's like a Subway, because looking at the menu online, it all looks like a Subway, but we'll see. Oh, it's like a Subway without being cut in half. First try of Jimmy John's. Cheers. Oh my God. Oh, better than Subway. Wow. So we've just arrived at a Starbucks. I love Starbucks back in Australia. Haven't seen one in the US yet, so this looks a bit exciting. This is the outside of it. They've got a drive-through as well. Pretty cool. Whoa. Smells like coffee in here. So we've got here the Impossible Sandwich.
Million followers, but every day or something she would post a video of her throwing her face into bread. Like she would
Better than
smash her
McMuffin.
face in the bread. It was a very
Oh, look at that! Oh, let's go!
Nice.
Now we're gonna apply for Instagram verification.
Sorry, that is not how that works, but
How do you get verified on Instagram?
you don't anymore.
Got next shoot.
Our work is.
We're keeping our client warm.
This feels very weird, but I kind of like it. All right, so we are checking out the HyperX pyramid. It's gonna be exciting. And also, there is a DC2 over there, and that looks so clean. HyperX Arena, we're gonna check it out. So we're gonna be doing our photo shoot here tomorrow. It's like that Pokemon Go guy. No.
Look, this is casting couch.
Typically when the players they'll walk out, go down to the stage, you know, they're all like excited to go play their tournament. Sure. We are here, just real quick, I thought I'd whip up the vlog. We are here at the Hello Kitty Cafe. This is adorable. It's right in central of Las Vegas. Very adorable. It is day 4 of the Vegas Strip, and today HyperX has given us the opportunity to be able to shoot in there, so it's gonna be cool. Okay, so now we're adding the graphics. Brought up the shot for the HyperX Stadium. We're now headed to where are we going to next, guys?
We're going to lunch and then we're going to the mines.
We are
Use our real big axes.
Ooh! So we just finished lunch, and now we're headed
To Copac, California.
Copac, California.
Copac,
California. Pulled up on the side of the road. Incredible view, guys. Amazing weather. It looks beautiful out here. But we've got a problem. The car's broken down. Anne-Marie was hitchhiking and we got a car, and we're gonna be sitting at the bed of the car. This is gonna be a little bit funky, a little bit funny. First time experience. Kind of excited. Are you excited? Oh my God, ain't no way. This is crazy. Oh, thank you so much. Looking incredible. Fassie, you're doing great.
Thanks.
Yeah. Anne-Marie, how you feeling?
I'm feeling good. The show
Feeling
must
good?
go on. The car breaks down, we keep shooting. It's gonna get rocky, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, Bryce, do you have the lens cap? Okay, cool. Well, I just called the tow, so do you know how far the tow truck is? He's from the
Oh.
USA.
All right, the shoot continues, guys. We ended up leaving our car behind, and we had a very nice lady called Catherine take us back to civilization. And she drove 30 minutes for us, and you know, it was such a lovely experience. Oh my God. These two guys, what the what are you doing?
Hurry up, bro.
Power up.
No rice.
First time at Chipotle. It's gonna be great. Gonna have a good time in the toilet after.
Look at that car.
We got a flat tire, and we're on 10 psi right now, as you guys can see. We've got a very kind gentleman who stopped to help us. Americans are just so nice. These boys stopped by, good vibes, giving them free merch. Nice, bro, I guess. They're the YouTubers, Thank you so much. Very blessed to have this gentleman stop, fix the tire, and we drove back out here. Gonna finish off the final shoot, wrapping up the day with everybody and beautiful views. Okay, sorry.